Okay, parents, I've given you all 2 dice for your kiddos to be able to play with. We've got 2 different ways that they can pick up the dice to be able to roll them. You can either have them reach out with what I always try and tell the kids these are my alligator pincher fingers. So we're trying to just do your thumb and your pointer finger. And so you can grab them this way and then just pick it up and release. That's sort of the more simple way to be able to roll the dice, one at a time. Or if your kiddo is able to do it this way, where they cup the dice in their hands, kind of to make a cup or a bowl shape, and then cover this with their other hand. It's going to be hard for me to do that while I'm videoing, but the idea is that the dice are hidden inside my hands, and then shake them and then release out this way so that they're working on getting their hands kind of in that rounded position. That's going to help them with doing other motor tasks that they need to be able to do. So pinchy fingers is sort of a step 1 or a stage 1 activity. Being able to cup their hands is a stage 2 kind of activity. And then once you have both of your dice rolled, you can kind of extend this into to work on some math skills. So you could have your kiddo look to see which number is the bigger number or which is the smaller number. You could work on having them add up both numbers if that's a skill that they're working on, or subtract the numbers if that's something that they are able to do. You can work on having them just touch each of the dots, again working on, this is called finger isolation, where you're trying to get them just to use one finger to be able to touch how many dots there are. And then the last thing you can do with this is you can have them again roll each dice and try and keep rolling until the numbers match each other. So that may make them have to roll the dice a lot, which would be great. Again, fine motor practice to try and get the numbers to be the same. And as you can see, it doesn't necessarily go quickly. So this could be a good task that could take them a while to get to. I'm going to go in and kind of cheat my way there. So they would get to stop rolling when both of them were 6s. And you could go all the way from rolling 1s to 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and 6s. So lots and lots of different things you can do, even with something as simple as 2 dice.